For this video, we are diving into a comprehensive tutorial on how to create and send a newsletter using Mailchimp. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to mailchimp.com and then sign up if you haven't already. Fill in your details and verify your email and log in. But if you already have an account, you just need to simply log in into Mailchimp. Once you are logged in, you'll land on the Mailchimp dashboard. And here you can see various options on the left side bar. You'll be able to see campaigns, automations, you have audience, analytics, website content, and integration. And for today, we'll focus on creating a newsletter. So before we create a newsletter, we need to set up our audience first. So click onto the audience section on the left sidebar of your screen and click this add your contacts, which should be located or situated on the center part of your screen. So once you are in here, if you already have an account or already have a list rather of your subscribers, you can go for uploading a CSV file, copying in, pasting from a file, or importing from integrated services like Google Contacts. So after creating your audience or importing your audience, let us go back and create our newsletter. So click onto the campaign section situated on the left side bar of your screen and click this create button situated on the upper right corner of your screen and select from this option. So you have three options: regular email, automation, and a landing page. But for now, we are going to go with regular email. So click design email. So now you just need to fill in all of your informations. So for this one, this is where you can add your audience. So you can import contacts. So if you have done the step I have taught you earlier, you can see those contacts in the section right here. And now you can go to the subject. Now for the subject, this is where you can type in what type of newsletter you are going to create. So for mine, I'm going to create a newsletter based on this one. So I'm going to create it for our latest YouTube videos. So I'm going with the same for the preview text, hit save. And then if you are using a free account, what you can do here is to for the option right here, you can only use send now option. But if you want to schedule it, you need to upgrade your plan. So there's that, hit save. Now for the content, you now need to design your email. So Mailchimp offers a variety of templates. So for this tutorial, we're going to select a basic template. So I'm going with this one, simple text, hit apply. And now comes the fun part of designing your newsletter. So you can drag and drop different content blocks like text, images. You have here heading, paragraphs, button, divider, spacer, and so on. So each section has different purposes for your newsletter. You can just customize each section to match your brand style. I'm just going to delete some of the elements that I want to exclude from my newsletter. So I'm going this one, click delete. Now, once you have your content, for example, I have here a sentence or a paragraph, I just need to highlight a part of it. If I wanted to change the format or the font and size for that specific text, highlight it, and then I'm just going to make it bigger, just like so, and bold it. Now you can do the same for your paragraphs if you have that on your newsletter, and for this section, you can opt to delete it if you want to. So I'm just going to add another blocks. So for now, I'm going to add socials. I'm going to drag and drop it into the section that I want it on my newsletter. And now if you want to link in your account, you can do so by going on the left side bar of your screen. So this is where you can add the URL for your Facebook, for example, or Instagram, more social media and other social media rather. So you can go for the icon style right here if you want to change the icons. So for example, I have here the outline format, and you can change the size. You can make it smaller. make it a medium size or large. Now for the alignment, you can opt to align it on the left side part of your screen, right and center. You can also choose the spacing in between your social buttons. So I'm just going to stick with 30 pixels, and then for the color, you can opt to use light color, gray color. So just experiment with what you have in the settings. So for the padding also, you can change that on this section right here. So again, with Mailchimp, you can customize or personalize your newsletter based on what you need, based on your subscribers, if you will. And if you're happy with your design, it is crucial to preview your newsletter. So to do that, click this preview situated on the upper part of your screen to see how it looks on different devices. So you can go with desktop, mobile, and even inbox. Before sending it out to your audience, you need to send a test email to yourself, so this ensures everything looks perfect and there are no errors. Now, if you have a problem with your template and you want to change it, just go to this arrow button right here, or downward arrow situated on the upper right corner of your screen, and hit change template. Now select from the options that you have, and if you have your saved templates that you have created by yourself, go on to this section right here. So there's that. So just remember to experiment with all of the settings and all of the features that the MailChimp has for you. So that's it for this video. That is how you can create newsletter in MailChimp. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.